Being ready isn't a feeling, it's a decision. And today is all about new beginnings. Welcome to Coached by Nikki Dyer. We begin this practice here by pausing to embrace the stillness. Gently closing your eyes. As you take a deep breath in through the nose. And exhale slowly through the mouth. Inviting any subtle movements to your limbs. Unclenching your jaw. Softening those muscles in your forehead. Letting your shoulders drop down and back. Feeling the natural rhythm of your breath. And becoming aware of how your body settles. How it goes a little deeper with each exhale. One of the most beautiful aspects of life is that at any moment, you can choose to make a change. To start over. To begin anew. There's no great mystery to doing this. You've accomplished it before. You've moved on from certain people. You've relocated to a new place. You've committed to seeing something through. You've given up bad habits and stuck with it. If you want to change your life, to live in a new reality, to proudly say, I decided I could, so I did, then your belief in your abilities and in yourself must outweigh any fear. Even when it feels like it's out of your reach. If you decide that you can, then you will. Because it all starts with a decision. And it all begins with you. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, I want you to bring to mind one thing that you would like to wholeheartedly go for. Fully connect with your intuition here and trust in your first genuine response. So often we act as if we've made a decision, when in reality, we've only committed to try. Until our fears begin to scream louder than our will. Or we fall into the trap, the fear of others. That maybe it's not realistic, or it won't work, that it will take too long, or that the cost is too high. But the moment you decide to wholeheartedly pursue something, this moment is so crucial. So I ask you once more to focus on what you truly want to achieve. Being ready isn't a feeling. It's a decision. So what will your decision be? Take a deep breath in. And a slow exhale out. One of the most beautiful aspects of this life is that at any moment, you can choose to make a change. To start over. To begin anew. This is the start of something new for you. A brand new year and a fresh start. What will your decision be? Beginning to slowly welcome your mind back into your body. Carrying with you that determination, that decision that you made. Feeling it flow powerfully and strong. When you decide you are ready, open your eyes. With clarity, insight, and a decision. To work with me one-on-one, schedule a Sage Advice session at coachedbynikkidyer.com.